up, little man. You ready to go up?
Well, look.
Jack it up.
Hi guys, good morning. It's 9:30 in the morning already, and I'm going to the basement to do unpacking because I'm going to unpack. The basement is fully loaded. You guys, if you keep watching my vlog, you'll see the basement area. It's fully loaded of crappie. Hi guys. Kagagaling ko lang sa baba. Winter coat. And the annoying dog. I'm gonna go back downstairs after I'm gonna have lunch because I don't have strength. It's 12:40 already in the afternoon. And wala naman masyadong ganap guys. Nag-ano lang ako sa baba. Yung mga tools ni Tami sobrang dami. So nilagay ko sila sa isang sulok, sa isang lugar. Ngayon hindi pa ko nilagay kasi I'm still digging all the stuff. So nilagay ko sa isang lugar yung mga dapat dalhin doon sa balay. So yun ang ginagawa ko. At saka marami din akong na-encounter na mga ilalabay, itatapon. So yun, and I guess these two dogs are hungry too, right, Rox? I guess you're hungry too. Are you hungry the same with Mama? Are you hungry? What Roxy wants? Do you want some bonsi? Where is the bones? Show me. Show me the bones. Show me the bones right here. All the treats. Day of Christmas. May turulaptin to me. So, ito ang ibigay ko sa inyo kasi marami. At saka gusto nyo. Sit. No? Sit up. Go girl. You sit up. Sit up, Misty. Sit up. Good girl. So, paano na rin ako? Gutom na rin ako, guys. Gutom. Hindi ako minigyan ng pagkain, guys. Ano ba to? Ang kakainin ko lang ngayon, guys, yung sa rice at saka steak last night, guys. Yun. Meron kaming Taco Bells. Kaso, I don't feel like having any tacos. It's just like a wrap thing. I don't want it. Look what happened, guys. He went to the treat store, stuff, and he helped himself. You help yourself? Oh, what did you do? She gave it to me. What did you do? I didn't give this to you. You just help yourself. Look, she's showing this to me because she did something wrong. Right? You did something wrong. That's why you give this to me. Because I didn't give this to you. You just pick yourself and help yourself and open the thing over there. Oh, she gave it to me. She keep pushing it to me. Roxy? Look, she knows. Rock, Misty, let go. Sit. What did you do? What you did? Huh? Look at that, guys. She knows she did something wrong. Misty too, get down. You pick this. No, get down. You pick this. Huh? Look at that. She just ignored me. Misty, get down. I'm just punishing your sister. She can't help herself. She can't go down there and pick treats for herself. Look at that. What did you do? You can't do this, huh? You can't help yourself. You have to wait for somebody to give you something. Look at that. She's ignoring me. This one keep begging. Look, it's open, oh. I want you to see what's outside, guys. Look at the leaves everywhere. So pretty. The wind is still crazy. The wind is crazy, and then all the leaves out there is just flying, and all the color of that leaves is so very colorful. I'm gonna go to the basement. I will show you. Hold on, guys.
Satisfied customers everywhere.
I'm gonna bring this TV right here. So, i-ano ko lang to. So, tignan nyo guys. This is yung garbage na na-collect ako. At saka yung bag na yan. Ito lahat. Yung ito lahat. Tools yan lahat ni Tami. At ito ang inaano ko dito. Nag-concentrate ako this area. So, all these tools is gonna be bringing to the house. Order. Oh my god guys. It's really embarrassing to show you. But, yeah. So, ito yung lilinisin ko. Plus the area. That's the laundry area right there. That's the laundry area. And it's not a lot over there, but over there, because this basement was the party area, like in the family when their father is still alive. This is the party area over here, and there is a bar over there. I don't know, there is another room right there, and it's a bar, so everybody like get drinking. There is a organ over here. I think the organ is still here. I don't know where, but yeah, so it's crazy. I'm gonna just concentrate over here guys. I will be right back. Kita-kita tayo. Sorry guys, pinakita ko sa inyo ang mga kaganapan ng hindi dapat ipakita, pero pinakita ko talaga kasi gusto kong malaman nyo kung ano ang ginagawa ko at saka ano ang mga hinanakit ng dibdib ko na ako ang naglilinis nito. But ako? Why are you giving me your bone again? You want me to hide it? You want me to hold it? You want to be lazy again? She just want me to keep it. She trusts me so much that she want me to keep her bone. Stop muna ako doon. Galing ako sa baba. Stop muna. Sobrang maraming abog doon. Na ano na yung ilong ko. Na namumula na sa ka-atching at saka ano ko. I have a runny nose now. So yeah, yun lang guys. Why are you guys staring at me? Huh? Hi guys, I'm just I just really want you to see the dogs' faces right now. They're very hungry. I'm trying to feed them because I don't know, Roxy. This is what they look like of a hungry dog, waiting for me to move and feed them. Anyway, yeah, so peace, Roxy. Peace, Roxy. Peace. Peace, Roxy. Peace, baby Rock. Hi, me tickle. Rocky. What do you want? Do you want something? Do you want some din? And ito, I saw this in the basement plate. It's a clear plate. It's very nice, guys. Gabi na guys. Ano na bang oras? 9:30 na. 9:30 na ng gabi, guys. So yeah, it's 9:30 in the evening. And Tommy just got home. Oh, the video is uploaded. I just uploaded the video because I was busy today, so I've been after doing thing in the basement. I kind of just like forget that I have to edit the video, so I think I edit the video like late this afternoon. This is very nice. I like the print in the cover, the print cover. It's like a zebra. He's here. My monkey is here. My monkey is here, guys. He's eating banana. He's eating banana. Yes. So he's just really tired, guys. He's not in the mood. Hi guys, I'm going to do a shout out. I'm sorry guys, is the shout out late. Okay, shout out to my kaibigan Moto from Norcal. Hi, thank you for watching. I'm sorry it's late. And hi also to shout out also to Simpling Pinay. Hi Simpling Pinay, I'm sorry it's late. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. And this morning I received a comment from my previous vlog. Simira Melanie, hi, thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate it, guys. I'm gonna do a shout out to Nancy Talyun Yusuris, hi sis, and also shout out to me Kabachiti, I think, I don't know if that's how you pronounce your family name. my or me Kabachiti. And also, hi to, you comment in my video, Landon Lee Dion na. Thank you for the comments and the likes. And also, would like to say thank you for your likes. Sis Basilio. Okay, I'm just gonna do it like this because it's few of you guys. Okay. Sis Basilio, Tin Bayutas, Landon Lee Duna, Cute Lani, Silsa de la Puerta Clemens, Juna de Ujas, and okay, I'm just gonna do it so quick like that. Hi to all of you because it's a lot of you guys like my picture or my post. Thank you guys so much for all the support, and yes, so thank you. And also that picture, guys, thank you so much for the comments. This is the people who comments. My Mitch in Santi Chang Chanti, Yuns Virox in Shelami Fernandez, and hi Mile, I miss you. Hi Vicky, Silsa and Landon Lee. Yeah, thank you guys all for all the comments in. Somebody want to be in my thing. Yeah, so somebody asked for my friend request. Is May Kabachiti. Hi Missy Kabachiti also. It's two Kabachiti. So thank you guys. My YouTube Facebook account. This one is the Vlogger Pinay.
I'll put up it first.
The dog is always got treats before we go upstairs. Why you have that cute face? The treat face. Cute little face. Yes, you're kissing the lens. Yes, you did. You're kissing the lens. You look like an alien, Hubs. Hubs, you look like an alien. Now he's gonna go into your shoulder.
You ready to go up, little man? You ready to go up?
Look. That's what he does. And then they're going upstairs like that. Kill Daddy's back. How about you, Dimples? Are you ready to go up? Are you ready to go up, Dimps? Let's go. Oh my god, hon, that's not gonna kill your back, really. Hubs, you're spoiled like crazy. He's a daddy's boy. Daddy's little boy. Daddy's little...
Up here.
Huh?
Mama will shut the light.
Okay, I'll do shut the light. Oh. Daddy's little boy, I can't see nothing over here.
Up.
Dimple, come here.
Come on, Nips.
Come here.
Come on.
What a bug. And look where he's going to look. That butt. That's what he wanted, look. Excited of the treats, Hobbs? Hobbs, excited, Hobbs? Okay, guys. Night, guys. I will see you tomorrow in my vlog. Bye, guys. Bye, Han.
Hi, guys.
See you tomorrow, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Oh my god, why is there is a container here?
Salad.
Just they want salad.